Hello everyone, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz. Good morning, good morning. This tutorial today, I'm going to talk to you about one of my all-time favorite products, and even though I am a Lancome beauty advisor, I do use other products and always try to give you guys tutorials on the latest and best products and beauty on a budget, as always, kimsbeautybiz.com. The Clinique. This is one of Clinique's products that they launched this year. It is Clinique ID, and what it is the insert. We've got orange, green, clear, or kind of white, and purple, and each of them are for a different spot or a different problem that you need a solution for. So they're totally customized, and I've got the wrinkle serum, which is the purple insert, and what you do, you buy it as a kit, but it's a little insert that you put into the regular Clinique moisturizer. So this, and it's Clinique ID is what it's called, and you screw it down into your daily Clinique moisturizer. And I just had to come in here and tell you guys, I really only am going to talk about and do tutorials on makeup products or skincare that I have used and know that it works. I do not do affiliates. This is only products working in the retail business that I have found that actually do the work. And this is one of the most amazing things. And as always, when I recommend to my clients about this skincare, you're going to touch point on any moisturizer or any facial product that you're putting on your face is a 5-point system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you distribute the product from there, upward and outward. And you can feel it absorbing into your skin, ladies, and always never forget your neck. No one likes turkey neck, ladies. And like I said, I'm going to just a little bit more, and you go up, 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 up there as well. Now, for the outside, the crow's feet, ladies, we're going to be careful not to pull, hand over hand, like this, up the nose and down, down, and across, 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 across. And that, ladies, is a moisture application, step by step. It takes all of 5 minutes, but you ladies have totally got to check out the new Clinique ID, of course, at any Dillard's, Belk, Nordstrom, or major retail that's got the beauty and cosmetic counters. It is definitely worth it, ladies. $39. And I have used this every day or almost every other day, and it's been a few months now, and you can see I've barely used. I mean, it is so concentrated. It does not take a lot of product, and the way it makes your skin feel is totally amazing. As always, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, so every Tuesday you'll be notified when I go upload another video on YouTube. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Kim's Beauty Biz. And always the blog every Tuesday, you ladies, for all the tips, tricks, and hacks, kimsbeautybiz.com. Thank you. And as always, I appreciate you and much love.